How you going, guys? We're at another garage sale and asked guys if they can record, and they said cool, so let's have a look. Let's see for free stuff here for your kid. Lots of helmets. Oh, that's cool. Lady get the money?
Yeah, lady always gets the money, mate.
That's what I was doing. That's what I do, man. That's just
ask for an allowance.
yeah. What do you think, Scoop? It's cool, isn't it? Should wear it. Does it look good? What do you think, guys? It's hard to freaking breathe in here.
You gotta keep it on all day.
we're going to Sportos. Oh, they'll say, well, take your hat off. Oh, this ain't a hat. Oh, that's too much.
I put stuff out the more, I'm like, it's about to rain.
Yeah. Yeah, we do Caboolture markets most Sundays.
We thought about it.
Yeah.
But I was like, by the time I unload everything, we've got 5 kids.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Yeah, no. It costs you more with 5 kids because you got to buy them shit.
Yeah. That's why we stopped going.
Entertain them for the
Yeah, it will. It's $20 a head, man. You go there, take 200 and spend 150 on food for them. You go it.
Didn't sleep.
Yeah, we usually were late too. Like, we've already been past here early.
Yeah, we.
9 o'clock start.
That's what I said.
Late start. Oh, yeah, man. We're 6 o'clock.
Like,
It's hard to get her out of bed before 10.
Yeah, it's because you probably don't sleep much during the night, but hey. Let's have a look at these helmets. And some shoes. It looks it.
Oh, yeah, the pink set. It's all stupid toes.
Yeah, it's all, yeah.
Oh, and the big one.
Yeah, well, that's right. And especially kids' clothes, man. You just go through them so quickly.
We got 3 under 1.
Have you 3 under 1?
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, I don't really like children. All right, we go now. We'll talk later, bye.